Hello, welcome back. Let's see the solution to weather observation station 8. Query the list of city names from a station table which have vowel letters A, E, I, O, U as both their first and last characters. So we want to make sure that each city names start with a vowel letter and ends with a vowel letter. A new result cannot contain duplicates. If you have watched the previous two videos, it's basically a combination of question 6 and 7. This should be an easy question for you. We saw how to check if a city name starts with a vowel letter. We selected the distinct city name from a station table and we extracted the first letter of each city name, change it to uppercase, and check whether this first letter is in any of these list of uppercase vowel letter. In other words, if the first letter matches any letter in this list. So we have to also make sure that city name ends with a vowel letter. We have to put another condition to combine two or more conditions. We can use the logical operators like OR operator or AND operator. In this case, we are going to use the AND logical operator. It's used to combine two or more conditions and make sure that all conditions return true. So we first checked if the first letter is a vowel letter, then we are going to also check if the last letter is a vowel letter. I just copied and pasted to extract the last letter of a string. In SQL we can use the substring method and we pass -1 as the starting index. It tells the SQL to start counting backwards from the end of the city name, and we want to take only one letter. It's going to extract the last letter and we want to change the last letter to uppercase and check if it is in this list of vowel letters. So let's run the code. It's accepted and submit the code. It passes all the test cases. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.